What country has the largest oil reserves?
Diddy.
What is the dirtiest country in the world?
India?
It's not India. That's a good guess, though. Give me one more guess.
It's definitely India.
Can you name me a country that starts with A but doesn't end with A? What is the most bombed country in the world?
Bomba.
Can you name me a country that starts with the letter K?
Kawasaki.
Can you name me a country that starts with the letter K?
Cow.
Can you name me a country that starts with the letter K?
Canada.
Can you name me two countries in Africa that start with the letter A?
That's a good question.
No? Can you name me the richest country in Africa?
Not good with geography, but I think it's like Texas.